Hi there, it's Ty with WTI, and I just recently reorganized all my kitchen closets, and that's why I needed containers that can easily show me what I have and where. So that's why these are now for my baking products and some spices that I have had in places that I cannot see easily, and then it's hard to know what do I have and what do I don't have. And it's been hard to know what do I have and what I don't have. So that's why I got these Kootek containers with dividers. Each one of these containers has little rails that help you with choosing how much space you need and for what. And you have exactly like Legos, little spots where you can put the dividers. And this is something I looked forward to on these containers, since I need to have spaces, either if it's something that I have in our dry products or pantry or fridge. Instead of 4 containers, now you have 12 little compartments where you can easily organize all your things. So this was my spice and dry condiment situation before, and this is after. So I really appreciate what these containers did to my kitchen. And that, of course, is just my point of view.